At Spacewell, we believe in making buildings work for people. We help create spaces that sense and think and learn, like smart offices that use big data to monitor how space is used, to assist people in real time, and to transform the workplace as it adapts to a changing world. We support you wherever you work, from large corporations to startups, from hospitals and offices to airports and conference venues. We use innovative technology and data to drive a better workplace experience that lets you do your best work and makes the office a destination worth going to. By helping keep buildings healthy, we give you peace of mind so you can focus on what matters. Our software supports your teams with up-to-date information, efficient workflows, and mobile tools to keep buildings running smoothly. And it drives the insights that help you optimize your building portfolio and make informed decisions. With data-driven energy intelligence, we help organizations reduce their energy consumption and act on climate change. We are part of the Nemetschek Group, a pioneer for the digital transformation of the building life cycle, from design and construction to operation and maintenance. We believe data-driven buildings are the key to a more sustainable, more autonomous, and more user-centered built environment. With our software, we aim to unlock the potential of buildings and deliver spaces where people can connect and collaborate, concentrate, and focus. Spaces that give people happiness and resonate with their company's culture. We make buildings work for people.